Barn Point Ranger Front Bumper Installation Guide. First, remove the original front bumper, middle trim panel, and water tank. Remove the front part of the vehicle until it reaches this state. Install the winch frame. Secure it with spring washers and flat washers. Do not tighten fully at this stage. Assemble the outer vehicle bracket and tow hook, then install them. Fix with the inner vehicle bracket on the inner side. Secure the inner vehicle bracket and winch frame. Keep the frame movable. It can be tightened after adjusting the front bumper position. Install the front decorative parts. Assemble the adaptive cruise control module bracket. Install the adaptive cruise control module bracket. Install the decorative block with the groove facing inward. Install the small fenders. Mount the bumper body on the vehicle and adjust its position properly. A buffer gap needs to be left here. Once the position is confirmed correct, tighten all the screws at the connection points. Connect all wiring harnesses. Install the left and right pull brackets. Secure them with screws and nuts. Install the clip and nuts for the lower guard plate pull brackets. Install with the arrow pointing toward the rear of the vehicle. Secure the upper and lower parts with washers and spring washers. Tighten the screws. Install the left and right lower guard plates. Install the clip and nuts for the lower guard plate mounting plates. Mount them on the winch frame. Assemble the front guard plate and license plate holder. Tighten the screws. Install the clip and nuts. Mount the front guard plate on the vehicle. Install the lower guard plate. First, install the front screws. Install the original lower guard plate. Mount both together on the original tow hook of the vehicle. Adjusting the screw here allows adjustment of the tightness of the license plate holder. The installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing BarnPoint.